Siam Amazing Park. What's up, guys? So today we are going to Siam Park. From this week onward, they're doing a discount for foreigners, 650 baht to get in. Usually it's 900 baht. I thought it was going to be a little bit more rainy today, but it's looking pretty clear out, all things considered. I mean, it is rainy this month, but I'm psyched. And Siam Park is a water park and has roller coaster themes. As you guys can see, this regular bus, express bus, aircon bus, 24-hour service. We went by boat yesterday. No, not yesterday. We went by boat to what other one? Yeah, it was yesterday. Today we're going to aircon bus. It's Siam Amazing. And this is the end of the route, and that's where we're going. Just got off the bus, nice air-conditioned bus. It took around an hour to get here, but it was cheap. It would have cost me 300 baht to take a Grab, around 25 baht to take the bus. I like the little cat mascot that's on the pillars. What I saw from the website, there's 8 rides and only 2 of them are closed. So usually they have 10 total. I think there's like 4 sections. There's Extreme World, Adventure World, Family World, Small World, and Water World. I only want to see Extreme World and Water World. I don't care to see the dinosaurs and all that stuff. It closes at 6 p.m. and what time is it? It's already 1, so we only have 5 hours to do stuff.
Cámara.
Yeah, let's go check out the lion. The whale ride, it wasn't that fast. It was going pretty slow. So they have a free buffet with the deal that I got. It closes at 2 p.m. I just barely made it with like 5 minutes. It's like 1:55 right now, but I made it. Onion. That buffet was not good. I don't recommend it. This one looks kind of fun. I might need a second. Oh, I feel sick and dizzy. Honestly, man, if I go on a ride, another ride like that again, I'm gonna throw up. On God, no cap. Oh, I'm gonna go back to the water park before I go on that vortex ride. I just need to let my food settle. That over there is the biggest wave pool in the world. No camera? Oh, okay. Guess I can't bring my camera. It wouldn't let me take my camera. So I had to come back all the way down. But I don't just feel like chilling out in the water for now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I caught some air. Man, when you're coming down and hitting the water, that's what especially hits you. And it's hitting my back. But other than that, it was chill. It was alright. Next go home. That park was alright. I probably wouldn't come back here again. I'm sure there's better parks out here in Thailand. But that last ride that we took was the best. The food wasn't that good. And there's not many rides here. I don't recommend it.